736 on the key of D major. Okay, so breakdown. We have that's the melody line. So for the first chord, here we have a slow from D, F to F sharp. Left hand side we have C sharp, B and E, while on my right hand side I have F sharp, B and F sharp obviously on the top. Then next chord, which is over the 3. So I have a rootless voicing on my left hand side. I have this double tap. This is E on the top. Then F sharp or G flat on the left. Then for this next chord, this is B on my left. Right hand side, this is E, A flat and B. So then the next resolved chord, left hand side we have B flat. Then right hand side we have E, G and B flat. Then you come to your 6. With a slow from C, C sharp to D. So left hand side, this is B, F sharp and D. Then the arpeggio, your right hand side, you are playing E, F sharp and A. You repeat the same thing, left hand side D, right hand side E, F sharp and A, like that. You can decide to use your thumb or index, whichever works for you. Then we'll come back to the 4. So right hand side, this is C sharp and F sharp together. So this is C, C sharp, B. My left hand side is G, D and A. Then right hand side, this is A on the top. So left hand side I have, this is D to E, while it's more like patting anyways. While the left hand is doing D and E, right hand side is playing B and C sharp, so something like this. Then left hand is still D, right hand B. Let me take it slow again. Right, so left hand side came back again to G, D and G. Then right hand side played A and D. So let me just play it one more time just to wrap everything up. We have